Hello, I'm Géraud Delinage. I'm Compact Line Marketing Manager for Case Construction. Among the compact lines, we have the mini excavator line, for which we have 10 models, from 1.5 ton to 5 ton. Let me guide you for a walk-around tour of these machines. The 1.5 ton class machine is of the medium short radius concept. It can be equipped either with a 3-post canopy or with a cab with heater. The CX-15B is the fixed chassis version. It can be equipped with 1 or 2 speed with or without hammer circuit. In any case, the chassis is equipped with a blade. The CX-18B is equipped with 3 pumps, and it has a hydraulic variable chassis. The CX-18B exists in zero-tail swing version. It is called the CX-17B. The engine and daily checks are fully accessible under this engine hood. From 2 to 5 tons, the machines are of the zero-tail swing concept, which means that they rotate within the perimeter of their tracks. The hydraulics are 3-pump hydraulics, 2 variable flow plus 1 gear pump. The hydraulics is fully accessible under this hood. Even though compact, the machine has an engine with daily checks fully accessible. From 3 to 5 tons, air conditioning is offered on these machines. Lockout valves on boom, dipper, and lifting hook are available on most models. The tracks are offered either in rubber or steel. The tension is easily made through this hole with a grease pump. The blade has a reinforced structure with protection. The shape of the blade has a design that allows the material to be rolled in the front. From 1.5 ton with fixed chassis to 1.8 with variable chassis or 5 ton with zero tail swing, Case has 10 mini excavators to offer. There's certainly one for you.